Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the unique function. The unique function in Excel is a powerful tool that helps you easily extract unique values from a range or array. This function is incredibly useful for data analysis where you might need to quickly identify or separate unique elements from a list or table. The unique function belongs to the group of dynamic array functions within Excel and returns a list of unique values from a range or array. The syntax starts by unique, then you define the array, then you can define if you want to go by column or by row, and last but not least, exactly once. And exactly once specifies the orientation and whether to return values that occur exactly once. But I'll show you how it is done in a second. So to apply the unique function, we of course need data with duplicates in it. And we start by an equal sign as always, followed by unique. We open the parentheses, and as you can see, we first of all need an array. So we have in row ID 2 our customer Amazon and sales of 499.95, and we have the same in row ID 5 where we have Amazon with the same sales. So let's pick our customer and sales for now, and then say we want to go by unique columns or unique rows. Of course, in this case we have to go by rows because our columns are we won't find duplicates in columns, so this column is will only apply once in my complete data, as well as the sales. There's not a second sales column. If there would be a second sales column, you could of course also go by column, but in my case I have to go by unique rows. You can type in false or just 0, which is the same. And then we have to define exactly once. Exactly once is also a logical value, true or false, or you can go by 1 and 0. That determines whether to return items that appear exactly once. False by default, which returns all unique items, but if true, the function only returns items that appear exactly once in the array. So let's go by the default at first, which is false or 0. We close the parentheses and we hit enter. What happens now? So we get, of course, our first customer because this is unique. This row is unique. We just have Amazon with the sales of 99.99 once in our range that we defined. Then we have Amazon with the sales of 499.95 in row ID 2 and in row ID 5. But now we'll only get it once. So as you can see, we just have it in 2, but not in 5. In 5 is Google, which was originally in row ID 6. Okay, so we get just the combination of customer and sales once. If we go by 1 instead of 0 at the end, so if we want to return items that appear exactly once, then both, so row ID 2 and row ID 5 will be eliminated and won't appear in the array that we defined by the unique function. So as you can see, the unique function is really helpful if you have duplicates inside your data and you want to clean it. And this is also where it's used most in data cleaning, to remove duplicates and to standardize data sets. But you can also use it for creating drop-down lists, for example. So generating lists for drop-down menus in forms or interactive dashboards. You can use it for statistical analysis by identifying distinct categories or groups in data. Or you can use it for database management by simplifying the extraction of distinct records from a database export. And yeah, this basically all you have to know about the unique function. It's a really helpful function that you should definitely know. And I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.